Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the noise immediately. Enable Do Not Disturb or silence unknown callers so unknown numbers don't ring you. Then, add the worst offenders to your phone's block list. Make sure to block both the number and any similar variations. Once done, register on your country's Do Not Call list to reduce telemarketing. You act now because quick filters cut most interruptions. This sets a controlled baseline before deeper filtering and reporting. Once the basics are set, install a reputable carrier or third-party spam filter app to identify and label callers in real time. Create custom rules, block specific prefixes, international origins, or numeric patterns that match robocall clusters. Make sure to review flagged calls occasionally so you don't miss legitimate numbers. After blocking, report persistent robocallers to your carrier and the regulator. This helps networks trace sources and reduces future traffic for everyone. To finish, audit where your number is listed and change passwords on breached accounts. Stop sharing your number publicly. Use voicemail screening and transcription to let unknown callers self-identify. This saves time and reveals scams. If unwanted calls persist, escalate to your carrier and request network-level blocking or number change. If you run into problems, try a fresh SIM or temporary number. That troubleshooting tip often restores peace without losing important contacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.